Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is actually the second weekend in a row where I actually get to take my van out and go do something. Last weekend, I went to Amarillo and picked up the awning. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll be sure to put a link somewhere at the top of this video if you want to check that out. And then this weekend, my cousin is getting married, so we're out here at the Sequoia State Park. We got here last night, and we're spending 2 nights out here. So this video may be a little bit different than my normal videos. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I thought I'd bring the camera out and bring you all along.
Cory, can we go hiking?
Yes.
Yeah! I want to go hiking!
You want to go hiking?
Yeah?
Okay.
Guys, let's go hiking with Cory. Hey!
Yeah.
Say cheese.
What the heck?
That was the hike. That's all we're doing.
That was real short.
Cameron, was that a fun hike?
Yeah? No.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah?
How long did it last?
About 3 minutes.
Are you ready, Camo?
Yeah?
Are we going down to the water?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you want to bring the boat?
Yeah.
Yep, that's pretty cold, huh, bud?
That's not that bad, cold.
Oh, it's not that bad?
No.
You want to go swimming?
Yeah?
Well, go ahead. Go swim.
Huh?
Go swim.
No.
I really cannot wait for summer or for the temperatures to start warming up. Being down here at the lake really makes me want to start tent camping and hammock camping. I've got a place in mind that I've been before where I just want to go get a hammock and camp out in a hammock all night. Even though I have my van, I think it would be fun to find an awesome place to just go out and spend the night in a hammock. So you'll probably see me doing that from time to time.
If you ever take your dog down to a river like this, it's not a good idea. He'll drag you around everywhere and you're probably gonna trip.
Is Charlie pulling you a lot?
Yes.
Hey, show him your rock you found.
It's all sparkly.
That's pretty cool. What?
I want to go back to the camper.
You want to go back to the camper?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have mud pants.
You could, oh, you have muddy pants? Did you fall in the water?
No.
Did you fall in the mud?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, we'll go back in here in a minute, okay? You can go to the edge, just don't fall in. Yeah, be careful. Okay, that's good. Don't fall in, because I'm not jumping in after you. Be careful, Camo. Be careful.
Okay.
All right, come on. You're going to fall in that water.
I'm not. Stop. Stop.
She's just too fast, isn't she, Cameron?
Yeah, I'll do fast too. Help me, Cory.
All right, so we're about to leave for the wedding and all dressed and everything. You guys look very good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cameron, what color is your shirt?
Red.
It's green. You guys look very pretty and handsome. All right, so we had the wedding last night and we had a really good time. It was nice seeing family that I hadn't seen in a while. And I got back to the van late last night and passed out, so I didn't do any filming. My cousin asked me to film part of her wedding, but I'm not going to post that on here because I want to respect everybody's privacy. So this morning we're heading back home and I'm going to be doing something that I've never done in my van before. And I'm going to be towing the camper back to my brother's house. I'm kind of curious to see how my van's going to handle it. So this will be a pretty good test on it. On the way up here, my dad was towing it and the wind was awful. We had winds, parts of Oklahoma had winds up to 60 to 70 miles an hour. It didn't get quite that bad. I think it got up to like 50 here. But I was driving behind my dad and the trailer was just going crazy all over the road. So the winds have died down today, so I feel pretty confident that I can get it towed back home. All right, so I just got done filming that last clip and all three come piling into my van wanting to say hi. So say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Apparently they like my van.
Hey, it's warm in here.
Oh.
I like your van. It's cool. I like the counters and the ceiling. And your bed. And
What do
your
you
bench.
What do you like, Cameron?
I like the lights on the roof right here.
Oh, you like the lights?
Yes. I like this bench that we're sitting on right here.
You like the bench? And Ariana, your favorite?
I like it all.
She likes it all.
I don't have a
So do
favorite.
I. I just like this to know.
Right. Back a little bit. Yep. Yep. Right there. Okay, so I made it back home and got everything unloaded out of the van, and as you could see from that last clip, my camera fell, and I thought it was a goner. I picked it up and the lens on it was like all crooked and the picture was all blurry, and it wouldn't, because the lens was so crooked, it wouldn't go in and out whenever I turned the camera on and off. I just knew that it was a goner, but my dad managed to force it back into place and everything's working fine on it now. Luckily, I did not want to have to buy a new camera. But anyway, I really appreciate you all watching this video. We just had a pretty relaxed weekend with the family and enjoyed the wedding. And I didn't film a ton this weekend, so this video is probably going to be pretty short. Shorter than my normal videos anyway. But next week, I plan to start back on the build. I have a couple of things in mind that I want to get done. So I'm ready to get started back on that and get that finished up. Thank you all once again for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next Tuesday.